Hi and welcome. I ordered 2 boxes from the Perfume Society and I thought I need to do a video on these. I was so pleased with what I got and lots of new stuff that I've never tried before. So here's the first box, and this one's the Globetrotter Discovery box. And I've got another box which is concentrating on skincare and it's called the Feel Good box. So I'm going to start with the perfume box. So let's have a look. We have this lovely card. It's all packed up and it tells you about it all, what it's all about. This Discovery box has been specially curated to help you create scented memories wherever and whenever you're travelling. We've always had a great feedback from perfumistas that our boxes are ideal for travelling with. The samples are perfectly sized to be airport security friendly, enabling you to pack an entire fragrance wardrobe alongside your other in-flight essentials. So yeah, there's more on there. You could pause the video if you wanted to read more about it, but I'm not going to read it all. So let's just get into it. You see, I have opened these. This is my second attempt to this video. So the first thing is these. You get a book of blotters, so you can put your perfume on, wait a couple of seconds and have a little smell and see if you like. So I'm going to use these as well. I'm going to take some off and I'm going to smell some of these perfumes, and I'll see which one I think's the best. So I'm going to start. We've got this spray, and this is the Yardley London English Bluebell, and this is really nice and fresh. When you look, you think it's going to be quite an old-fashioned scent, but no, it's not. I think this is wearable for anybody. It's very nice. And the first sample I'm going to pick up here is Angel, and I love Angel. I've had Angel many a times in the Alien, but I haven't tried the Circle. And this is a pinkish colour. Oh, got the little bottle here. Have a look at the inside. So let's have a little smell. Whoop. And that is so nice. I think this is my new favourite by Terry Mugler. I can never say that right. It's really sweet, this one, compared to the Blue Angel. It's much sweeter. So we'll smell the next one. You know, I've just mixed up the blotters. No, that hasn't got any perfume on. We've got Anna Sue. Now, I love Anna Sue because her bottles are so different every time. They're beautiful. I mean, look at that. There's the mermaid. Fantasia Mermaid. Amazing. I love her bottles. She puts a lot of effort into them. Okay, I'll try this one. Don't know what that was. Now that one is really fresh. It's a sea breeze. It's a particular smell. I feel like you're gonna like it, but you may not like it for yourself. You mightn't like it enough to buy, whereas I like her scents because they're all so different and you don't smell them all the time. There's a lot of perfumes that are quite similar, but like Angel and the Anna Sue fragrances, they're very unique. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. So we've got that one. Whoops. Sorry about that. Okay. Now we've got this one, and this one's called the Merchant of Venice. Red Potion. Orange flower, rosemary, honeysuckle, sandalwood, tonka bean. Yeah, there's a lot in that one. And this one's like a little test tube. This one isn't a spray one. Have a little smell of this. Just put it on there. Oh yeah. Quite a luxurious scent. There's a lot of smells in that one. I think honeysuckle and sandalwood is the strongest. Especially the sandalwood. I can really smell the sandalwood in that one. It's very nice. It's a warm scent, if that makes any sense. I would feel like that's a night for going out, because normally you have a day scent and a night scent, but it doesn't really matter when. But I would say that was a lot stronger. We've got Floral Street, and it's called Electric Rhubarb. Now that sounds amazing to me. There's the fabulous packaging there, and this is a spray one. Okay, I'm gonna get another card. Now, like I say, I have opened these because I had a failed attempt on the first go of my video, and actually I'm liking them a lot more on the second time around. Now this is one of my favourites in this box. It's like a fruity flower, really sweet. That is a recommended buy. I think a lot of people would like that. I think these two you could just buy for somebody and you've got more chance of them liking them ones, I think. I could be wrong, but I don't know, sometimes I like the bottle more than I like the fragrance. This one's called Wanted Girl. There we go. Let's have a little smell. This is another spray one. Yeah, that is really, really nice. This one has ginger in it. Ginger flower. Hello. Sorry about that. I'm back. I will say now, sorry if I'm pronouncing anything wrong. I'm not very good at it at times. I don't even know if I'm saying the names right, so I apologise. Okay, so this one is Salil Lalik, I think. Nice packaging, shiny. Yep. A burst of morning light, an addictive splash of cafe latte, a sweet touch of almond, a soft feel of jasmine, the scent of a frank, free, radiant woman. It's got mandarin, bitter almond, jasmine, pink praline, coffee and milk. Ooh, I've never heard of that combination before, mind. This'll be different. Ooh, it's a smooth sprayer. Oh yes, right. This one, I love it. This and this one are my favourite up to now. The way I can describe this one, it's like a pampering smell, like a spa. It's sweet, it's floral, it's fruity, I've never smelled that before. That is a unique scent. I love it. I would buy that one tomorrow, definitely. The bottle is quite nice as well. You get a little look at the bottle. Okay, so this is the next one. 10 AM Flirt, and it's called Kieran, I think. Yep. And here's the little spray bottle. I like the spray bottles. Oh, spraying it everywhere. Oh wow, this smells like walking through the park when the grass has just been cut and the flowers and the trees in the summer. Yeah, crisp green grasses sway high above the concrete jungle, refreshed by the breeze. I gaze over the immense cityscape of New York. A path extends before me, with possibilities seeming limitless. In an instant, our eyes lock, a magnetic attraction, electrified by this connection. Our lips form a smile, a high-line flirt. There's the little description there. Now, I definitely think this is a natural scent. Like, you're going outside and it's the smell of the trees and things. This has got top notes of gardenia, fig, cashmere wood. Yes. Fresh, flirty, magnetic. That's the vibe. It's also clean, cruelty-free and conscious. That's always good, isn't it? Free from parabens, made with recyclable materials. Well, like this one. Nice. I do feel it's lovely, but I think it's not going to appeal to everyone, but it's still very nice and fresh. Okay, so we have the last card, kind, like little booklet anyways. And this one's called Amazing Grace Magnolia Philosophy. I'm talking in tongues. I feel like I can't even speak. So there's that one. And you get a little look of the bottle. Whoops. Oh, this one's... I was expecting it to have one of them little stick things in. So this one's going to have to go on my arm. And I think I've already put one there, haven't I? So I've just mixed it together. So I'm going to have to... Oh, that's lovely. It's very light, that one. They're all quite floral, aren't they? Yeah, that's lovely. A nice day scent, that. It's all over my hands. Okay, I'm going to put that back in its packaging. If you love flowery smells, that is a one to try. Sorry, I've got no room left. Okay, so we have another one here, and this is the other side of oud. I'm hoping I've said that right. It's very shiny, so I don't know if you can see properly, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay, then the little spray bottle. I'll get my other. That's got something on it. I've just had one, and I put it down. I think this is. Ooh, that's a smooth sprayer too. Wow, that is a spicy scent. It's spicy on your nose. That is going to be another particular scent. I'm back. I feel like it smells a bit like ginger in there. It's really spicy, but it's very nice. It's very different as well. You know, none of these, I've never smelled any of these. So it's so nice to find some new fragrances to maybe buy. Okay, so we've got another one here, and this is called Juliet Has a Gun, Vanilla Vibes. Oh, I like vanilla. Oh, spraying it on the floor. Yeah. It's not as exciting as the rest, but if you love vanilla, this is a scent for you. Definitely. I like vanilla, so yeah, I like it. And on the back it gives you a little look at what the bottle looks like. And it's quite funky, that one. Okay, so the last item, and I think it's a full-size one, and this is a protective hand cream. I don't really want to say it because I know I'm going to say it wrong, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, so here we go. And you would do that, but like I said, this is my second attempt, so I opened it. So I'm going to... Oh, dropping everything again. Well done. Okay. Now this feels amazing and it smells like sherbet lemons. I love it. I really love it. I recommend that. My hands are so soft right now. It's not sticky or anything. It's just so nice. It's quite luxurious. Lovely. Very, very nice.